Hi, this is Joe and Chris Ferzoco with the Ferzoco Group, and welcome to another edition of Ferzoco Group TV. Our topic today is going to be the first quarter stats of 2016 for South Jersey. But before we get started, I'd like to bring your attention to links that we have here on our blog. If you're someone looking to sell, please click here. And if you're looking to buy, please click here. First quarter stats, Chris, for 2016 here in Cape May County and in South Jersey. We're going to touch on a few different towns: Upper Township, Sea Isle, Ocean City, and then down towards Lower Township, North Cape May, the Wildwoods, and things like that. So to give you guys an idea as far as the overall market statistics in Cape May County, I'm going to touch on that just real quick. We actually, in first quarter 2016, had 1,400 new properties come onto the marketplace. As far as an increase from 2015, Chris, it was actually pretty flat. Right. We actually had the same amount come on last year as well. We did sell over 470 properties in Cape May County in the first quarter, which is actually up 5% from last year. Average sale price, however, was down about 6%, and our days on market was relatively the same. And if we kind of pull out a couple of different areas, Chris, that we do focus on in the lower half of Cape May County, you look at a place like Cape May Courthouse, where we had about 69 to 70 properties come onto the market. That was, again, pretty much the same level as last year. Now, when you're looking at stuff like your percentage as far as your list price to sale price and your average sale price was actually up 3% in the first quarter as opposed to last year in Cape May Courthouse.
Great start.
Yeah, it really is. And if you look at a place like North Cape May, again, another offshore town, that was actually up 6%. So we saw some good growth in the first quarter of 2016 in the offshore places. Our days on market in the offshore North Cape May Courthouse, they were actually down as well, anywhere between 33 and 65 days. So, Chris, you're talking about almost 2-month difference in a place like North Cape May for an average days on market. You slide into the a place such as the Wildwoods is another big area that we cover in lower half of Cape May County. Overall properties that came onto the market, lots, multifamilies, about 500 properties that came on in 2016 first quarter, which is an increase of about 68 to 70 properties from last year. Your average sale price was actually right around a 6% average there, increase from last year. Your days on market, though, that did jump up about 24 days as opposed to last year, and your average list price to sale price, Chris, was actually up a little bit as well, about a quarter and a half.
Okay. Yeah. And when you kind of take a look at some of the other more northern type areas here, Joe, that we also cover, such as Ocean City, for example, what was interesting is you kind of took a look at the inventory levels, and they've actually remained fairly steady here over the last several years. Right now, we're back over 900 properties for sale, again, varying types, be it condos, multifamily, single-family homes, even in commercial property as well. That number there, again, is actually up a little bit higher than last year. We also noticed that the number of homes sold from the first quarter of 2016 from 2015 is actually down. And it's actually down significantly from this quarter from the 2015. An interesting trend, too, that we also watched was actually it's even down a little bit further this year from 14. So, folks, we're seeing a trend here that in the number of homes sold in the first quarters year after year is trending in a downward pattern in Ocean City. That we also saw with regards to pricing in Ocean City, the pricing is down about 2.5% from the first quarter of 2016, from the first quarter of 2015, which is also down again following the same trend that we talked about with regards to the number of homes sold, is down even from 2014 as well. So another downward trend with regards to pricing in the Ocean City market just for first quarter. One of the nice positive signs that we did see is the number of homes sold is dropping significantly now. We're down to virtually 3 months on the market when homes are coming on and selling. So that is dropping, which is a strong indication that the buyers that are coming into the marketplace are making decisions quicker and they're buying the homes that they want and they're not delaying. So we're not really focusing so much on, the numbers are down a little bit, Joe, but we're seeing some positive trends here that won't necessarily last through the year. It's just what we saw in the first quarter. Now we're heading into the springtime. Here at the shore, that's obviously our strongest market, so it'll be interesting to see where the trends change in Ocean City. Sure. You take another town that we also cover a great deal is Sea Isle City. Sea Isle City actually has an interesting dynamic going on from 2016 they dropped about 33% in the number of homes sold. A dramatic drop in the number of homes sold from 2015. Yeah, but the great news was they were actually up 11% in their pricing.
Wow.
So number of homes dropping, prices way up in CI.
Okay.
And then just jumping just off into the primary market into Upper Township, another strong area there. This area here is robust as it can be. We've seen actually 27% hike in the number of homes selling in Upper Township, and actually we saw 11% hike. Folks, that's 11% hike in the price, in the sale price of the homes that are selling in Upper Township. So Upper Township being robust as a start in 2016 as it compared to 2015. Number of homes sold is actually up as well to start the year. So Upper Township up all across the board, doing very strong. It'll be interesting to watch the shore markets as we come out of the winter time and really heading into the spring. See if we can get those numbers corrected a little bit.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Well, that's our stats for this first quarter of 2016. We want to thank you again for coming to Ferzoco Group TV and checking out what we have to offer for you folks. Come in, take a walk around, see what you like, and please feel free to always reach out to us as well, and visit our website at theferzocogroup.com.